welcome back. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and comparison. Today, we have an exciting and highly requested topic to dive into. The new feature on WhatsApp that allows you to log and hide your chats. WhatsApp has introduced a robust privacy feature that ensures your conversations remain just that private. But before we jump into the step-by-step guide, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech updates and tutorials. As technology continues to advance, so does the need for enhanced privacy measures. With the latest WhatsApp update, users can now take control of their chat privacy like never before. This new feature enables you to log and hide specific chats, adding an extra layer of security to your conversations. WhatsApp has a native feature known as Chat Lock that lets you hide individual chats by locking them using fingerprint, Face ID, or phone passcode. When you lock a chat, it will be hidden from the main chat list on WhatsApp and taken to a separate folder known as the locked folder, which must be unlocked to access the hidden chats. This method lets you hide WhatsApp chats from messages without archiving or deleting chats. For this, launch the WhatsApp on your phone and open the chat that you want to hide. Tap on the contact or the group name at the top. Scroll down and tap on Chat Lock. Enable the toggle next to lock this chat with fingerprint. You will be asked to scan your fingerprint. Do so and the chat would be locked and taken to the locked folder. To access the locked folder, go to the home screen of WhatsApp and swipe down from the top of the app. Tap on locked chats, scan your fingerprint to view the locked chats. Now I will show you practical demo. Open your WhatsApp application in your cell phone. Select the desired chat that you want to lock. From menu bar, tap on Lock Chat. Click on Continue and your chat will be locked. WhatsApp is introducing a new way to keep your locked chats away from curious eyes. Instead of having your locked chats folder visible with all your other conversations, you can now hide the chats behind a secret code. Now I will show you how you can hide your locked chat by using secret code. First, open your locked chats. Click on Chat Lock Settings. In Chat Lock Settings, click on Secret Code option. Create your secret code and click on OK button. Rewrite your secret code to confirm that code. After that, enable the Lock Chat option. Click on Use My Secret Code option. Write the secret code that you had created earlier and click on Done button. Your chats are hidden now. To access your hidden locked chats, write your secret code on search bar. Once the code matched, Lock Chats option will be appeared automatically. Click on Lock Chats. Your desired chats will be appeared. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech content. Feel free to leave your thoughts and questions in the comment section. We will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.